are you doing, Woodpecker?
I'm just trying to pay my rent.
What? This is written in purple ink!
I know, but it's the only color I could find. Honest, Miss Meanie.
The rent check is to be written in black ink!
Yeah, black, blue, purple. What's the big deal?
The big deal is I finally had it with you. This time you're out for good.
If I can just borrow a black pen out.
I told you you're finished, Woodpecker. So, I've gone and rented the tree house to him.
I'm Nicky Knickknacker. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I'm ready to sign your lease, dear lady.
If only you behaved more like this sweet, debonair fellow, you might still be my tenant. But since you are nowhere near as cultured and refined, you're out of here. O-U-T! Do you hear me? Out!
Dear Meanie, now that the lease is signed, could you possibly see your way clear to lend me a mere morsel of food to tide me over until I'm settled in?
Anything. What would you like?
Oh, heavens. Just some soup, perhaps?
One soupy-doopy for my Nicky Wicky.
And, oh, I don't know, perhaps an egg?
There we go.
You know, it occurs to me, I could use a couple of $1,000. Yes, 10,000 would spot me nicely until the banks open on Monday.
Oh, 10,000? Pshaw, what's a little cash among friends?
If you're thinking of coming up to my treehouse, would you do me the honor of phoning first?
Check it out, this biddy has some mighty cool stuff. The last one she'll ever suspect is little old me.
Mr. Knotworst is a creep and a crook. Here's where I get my house back.
Hey, what do you think you'd...
I mean, why are you trespassing in my treehouse?
You can drop the bad British accent, bub. I'm way ahead of you. Miss Meanie will have to believe me when I return her.
You ain't spoiling this for me.
Miss Meanie, I forewarned you that the cat was stealing from you.
No, it was him, Miss Meanie.
That's the last straw.
I love the way you handled the riffraff, Miss Meanie.
Meanie to throw socialite party for Nixon Knickknacker. I bet old Nicky'll be up to his tricks at a wingding like this. Meanie might not let me back on her property, but like I always say, one good imposter deserves another.
And then I said...
So I said to the Queen, it's a toilet brush, not a toothbrush.
Let's see what that freeloading treehouse wrecker's up to now. Gotcha.
Spinach souffle bites? My sweet.
Nicky boy! Yeehaw! I've been a-wondering where my nephew Nicky was at. I'm Nicky's Uncle Knuckles of the Knoxville Knickmakers.
You're not my Uncle Knuckles, you're an imposter.
Huh? Nicky, what's come over you?
I mean, this is preposterous. I don't have an Uncle Knuckles, Miss Meanie.
He's always pretending we ain't kin. Yep. That's our little game, right, Sticky Nicky?
Sticky Nicky?
Sure, he got that nickname cause everything he puts his hands on sticks to him. Is this the old biddy you told me you got wrapped around your feather tips?
What?
I tell you, dear lady, I've never seen this imposter in my life.
Say, you got the time, bub?
Jumping, yes, he games. Have been robbed.
Oh, shucks, that's too bad. But you know what we knickknackers do when bad times hit? We square dance. Element left, run out.
That's my pocket watch.
And my brooch! Woodpecker! It was you? How clever! How could I ever thank you?
Well, since you've been in such a generous mood lately, here's a short list of extras I think you could provide me at no additional rent.
What? Oh, no, you don't, Woodpecker! You won't take advantage of my hospitality, you freeloading sponge bird, you walking moose wagon! Get back here! Get back here!
Your Honor, you can't send me and Tweaky to jail!
Besides in which, we never took that lady's jewelry, Your Honor. The jewels jumped from her floor safe into our hands as we was taking a moonlight stroll past her mansion.
Order in my court. Because of your obvious theatrical and storytelling talents, I'm sentencing you both to do community service. You'll stage a play at the youth center. And if you don't put on a good show, it'll be 1,000 years hard labor.
Tweaky, we're gonna get society to pay us while we pay our debt to society.
Auditions today, $5. Oh, we want to try out for your play, mister, but we don't have any bucks.
Then scram.
But boss, we don't have any other actors. And you know what the judge said.
I know what the judge said. All right, let's see. I'm putting on a kid's show here. It's called Peter Pan. Tweaky and me wrote it ourselves.
You didn't write Peter Pan? Yeah, we saw that show here last month.
Oh, did I say Peter Pan? No. I said Peter Pan Handler. Yeah, that's my play, Peter Pan Handler. You're hired.
Yay! We won't let you down. Where's the stage? Where's my dressing room?
Boss, you just broke the first rule of the theater.
What, never act with kids or animals?
Never act with kids who are animals. Oh, we're sincerely doomed.
Snap out of it, Tweaky. There ain't nothing to produce in a kid's show. I'm gonna mount a production the likes of which this community ain't never seen. Or my name ain't Broadway Buzzard.
These guys are strictly B-list. And they're gonna stink up this town. Unless we take matters into our own hands.
Act 9, Scene 47 of Peter Panhandler, the Buzz and Tweaky story. This scene shows how me and Tweaky once had to bilk a sweet old lady out of a family heirloom jewels just to eat. Feel it, people. Feel it. Cue Splinter and Knothead.
Ha! Yo-ho-hum! Take that!
What do you two think you're doing? There ain't no pirates in my life story.
But the judge loves pirates. Yeah, everyone loves pirates. You gotta have pirates.
Oh, the pain! That's what's wrong with Broadway today. There's too much catering to the public's whims. Well, not in my show. No dancing pirates, no singing cats. Oh, psst. This is art. You, Splinter and Knothead.
Super Woodpeckers to the rescue! Let's save him, Speedy Splinter! Roger Ramco, Nimble Knothead.
Cut! There ain't no flying woodpecker scene! Who's directing this show, you or me? Don't answer that. Now you play me and you play Twiki. No pirates, no flying woodpeckers. This is drama. Play the scenes of my life so the audience can feel my pain.
I feel his pain. Do you feel his pain? Oh, yeah. I definitely feel his pain.
The theater's full, boss.
You know what'll happen if they hate our play, Twiki?
What, come midnight, we'll be slow dancing on the C block with a gorilla named Bubba?
No! We'll never get to Broadway! There's only one solution. In tonight's performance, the parts of Buzz Buzzard and Twiki the Lackey will be played by, themselves. You two gotta play all the other parts. Come on, Twiki, it's showtime. Peter Panhandler, the Buzz and Twiki story. As a baby buzzard, I was abandoned on the doorstep of two gentle...
Pirates!
Pirates!
Let's get him! Super Woodpeckers! To the rescue!
No more with the hurting and the chasing!
Oh, you're ruining my play! Destroyed!
Now, the big finish! Ta-da!
Oh, magnificent pirates, flying and drama and dance. It's the most spectacular show I've ever seen.
Okay. Take us away, Judge.
Not a chance, Buzz. You're a hit.
We want you to direct the next show here, Director Buzz. Yeah. We'll do Death of a Salesman. And we'll play the evil space aliens.
Well, of course. Hey, wait a minute. There ain't no evil space aliens in Death of a Salesman. Ah!